Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to send a do not request to site on your Opera GX. Now let's say you want to turn this option on, that is enable the option that says send a do not track request. Now you want to do that, it's quite simple. From the home menu after launching your Opera GX on your PC, next thing you'll do is look at the left side, that is the sidebar over here, left sidebar, and then you make sure your get icon is showing. If it's not showing, because sometimes it's hidden, what you do is you click on the three dots at the bottom to open your site by setup, and then you scroll down until you see Opera Tools, and then look for settings and make sure it is turned on. Next thing, you click on your get icon and so open up this page. So click on privacy and security, and then you can see third-party cookies. Click on it, and then you can see all the way down you see send a do not track request with your browsing traffic. So make sure you just turn it on. Now note that enabling do not track means that a request will be included with your browsing traffic. Any effect depends on whether your website responds to the request and how the request is interpreted. For example, some websites may respond to this request by showing you ads that are not based on other websites you've visited. Many websites will still collect and use your browsing data, for example, to improve security, to improve content, services, ads, and recommendations on their websites, and to generate reporting statistics. So if you still want to continue with this, click on confirm. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.